Hi, my name is Paul. I'm 39 years old. My teeth started to fail like in my teenage years, and it was a lot of pain. Then eventually I moved into dentures, and it helped at the time. But like these new teeth implants, they're really helping me every day. They're giving me the self-confidence that I need. No pain with eating, and I feel so much better about myself since getting the surgery. So it was so emotional to see their reaction. I know how emotional it was for me. So just to see how happy they were, as to see they were as happy as I was about how they turned out. That was a great feeling. I was in shock. Not having the teeth there, you take that for granted, but once when you get back, you feel like you have like a second chance. So I'm so much happier now that I got the surgery. I was nervous at first, but it was well worth it. I'm feeling better every day.